सोमारा येरादारी खात्यान नव्या वेबसायटीचें लोकार्पण केलें। आतां मेरेन ह्यो वेबसायटी म्हायती दिवपी आशिल्ल्यो, मात आतां ह्या वेबसायटी वरवीं ट्रान्झॅक्शन जातलें म्हूण म्हायती येरादारी संचालक निखिल देसाय हांणी दिल्या। आरडेक्सको खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
This is a very important milestone in the history of Transport Department. Till date, our website was information-based website, meaning only information could be had. You could not do any transactions on it. The work for having transaction-based website had started almost 6 to 8 months ago, because when we launch something at the front end, our backend has to be ready. So that is why we took help of NIC. We went through two of the most important platforms rolled by Ministry of Road Transport. One is Sarthi. Sarthi will be used for all the driving license renewals, the issue of duplicate learner's license, all those things will be handled by Sarthi. The next website is Vahan. Vahan will be used for all the vehicle registrations, issue of RC books, renewals, etc. The third module that was developed, which I think is for the first time in the country, is issuance of all the permits through online mode, which is a module which was developed by Goa NIC called eTrans. So now we are using eTrans module for all permit related works, both with STA and RTA. Vahan is being rolled out all across RTAs for all the registration related work, and Sarthi is for driving licenses. With this, I must proudly state that with the guidance of Honorable Minister and our Principal Secretary Transport and Secretary Transport, we have effectively migrated to Vahan and Sarthi platform, one of the few states in the country who have done it. In fact, Ministry of Road Transport will now make it mandatory, likely from October of this year, that all the states should transact their business through this platform. But even before that deadline, I am happy to inform you that Goa has become one of the few states who have migrated online on this platform. Certain quiz competitions there, so that people can take the quiz and apprise themselves how well they are aware about the traffic rules, traffic signs, etc. So we will try to involve the people through social media in the coming days. Also, next in the offing is, as we speak to you, the system of generating challans to everybody who is penalized on the roads will also now be moved online. Extensive tests are underway, and the NIC team is working with SDFC. They have already developed a very beautiful handheld machine which will be used to generate a challan, compound the offence on the spot using credit or debit card. And if somebody doesn't want to pay by credit or debit card, he has the option of going to the nearest bank branch and pay the money there, so that everything works in a very cashless mode. Or you can even log on to the website and then pay challans through online portal. So we are trying to make things more better and more effective, so that the biggest grievance of people is that there are too many unending queues in all RTO departments.